Hello everyone. Um, okay, let's just do this simple solve for x for now. Please search for close attention on Facebook and follow it. View the contact on the bio and text us on WhatsApp if you'd like to get some free online mathematics lessons grade 10 to grade 12. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Let's just do it quickly to save time. I'm just doing this to advertise that offering online lessons. The payment is negotiable. Okay, 2x squared equal to 32. If you are faced with this thing, it's very much simple. You just start by dividing both sides because so that you can simplify it and be able to solve for x nicely without any problems. So you divide this side by 2 and this other side by 2, then 2 and 2 will go off, cancel each other, then you're gonna be left with x squared equal to 32 divided by 2 is 16. So you're gonna be left with 16 this side. You're gonna be left with with 16 this side. So obviously here you can do it in two different ways. You can put the square root both sides here. You can just come here and square and put a square root here, and then if you put a square root here, if because this is a grade 12 thing, you know by now that when you put the square root and then you have got some number to the power of 2 there, the 2 exponent of 2 and then square root will cancel each other, then you will be left with x equal to, and then square root of 16, the square root of 16 is 4, but because you've used a square root you must put plus or minus, so your answer is going to be x equal to plus, sorry, your answer is going to be plus or minus 4. Your answer is x equals to 4 or x equals to negative 4 because you have used the square root. If you have used square root, then the final answer must have two signs of negative and positive. Okay, this is the first step. Let's go to the second step. On the second step, I'm gonna use a red pen. Let me use a red pen. So we've got okay, I'll start at x squared equal to 16. So on this step we are going to take 16 from the right side and put it on the left side. Then when it jumps the equal sign, it also changes sign. Because it was positive, now it's gonna be x squared minus 16, and then we are left with a 0 on the right side. It is equal to 0. So if it is 16, you know, you must put two brackets, the first one and the second one, which is equal to 0. Okay, right. So you put x here, you put x here. You know how to do this thing, to factorize. Sorry, let me put my x in there. All right, that's x. Don't mind my handwriting. And then whether you're going to put okay, you know it's 16, right? And then 16 is x squared minus 16, so obviously you must have 0x, x squared and 0x minus 16. So obviously 16, you're gonna say 4 by 4. Sorry, it's 4. Sorry, my screen is very small. My screen is very small. You're gonna have 4 by 4, not of a car. Okay, 4 by 4. And then whether you put negative or positive, it depends on the x squared minus 16. So obviously because it's only x squared minus 16, you must put the other 4 must be positive and then the other must be negative. Okay, let's start with negative and a positive sign. It's x squared, x minus 4 into x plus 4. This is because when you remove the brackets, you're gonna say x by x, it will be Okay, let me change the pen. X by x is gonna be x squared uh, minus 4x, or sorry, plus 4x minus 4x, and then minus 16, then minus 4x and plus 4x is gonna cancel each other, and then you'll be left with x squared minus 16. Okay, thank you so much for watching.